Air conditioning's leaking water. Droughts. Let's do this by the numbers. They say an air conditioner leaks 5 to 20 gallons of water a day. This does that every single day. Now look at Los Angeles. There's about 4 million people in Los Angeles. Half those people have jobs that have an air conditioner at work. So now you have 6 million air conditioning units. 6 million air conditioning units at 5 gallons of water is 30 million gallons of water being pulled from our Earth's atmosphere. Now you have San Francisco, Las Vegas doing the same thing. 30 million gallons, 30 million gallons, 30 million gallons of water being pulled from our atmosphere, and you wonder why there's droughts.